present my demo of online live attention detection in online interaction. This is admin panel. It has 5 options. We will go through each option quickly one by one. Let's try to add candidate. We will get we got two options to add candidate. We are trying to add one by one. Let's see what happens. We get dialog box. We enter the details. Let's enter Yashi30. It's an already existing username. I'm just entering to let you know what happens when an admin tries to override an existing user. The speed is also dependent upon the CV. Are getting error one or more user already exist. This is general error because we are also this is a generic code for CSV file too. Now next we add candidate. We added by like let's try by some new candidate, demo one. This user doesn't exist, so this should be added to the system ideally, but let's see what happens. We are just testing the app through. Yeah, values successfully inserted. Now let's try something else. Let's try group candidates. Groups candidate according to the behavioral shown in the online interaction. Let's session code is the unique code assigned to administrator to each session to distinguish between different sessions. He shares it with candidate and candidate uses it to log in. Now let's see. We got 100 entries, 100 candidates. A few are red background, and these are two clusters of candidates. The red candidates showed a similar behavior, and the white background candidates showed a similar behavior. So we can infer from this that this is a smaller group. So this red group might be the insincere one, and the red group might be the insincere one, and the white group might be the sincere one. Let's see what else admin panel has to offer. Let's try to view critical alerts. We can view, let's say we want to view top 5 critical alerts for attendance defaulters. We can also view it for system view defaulters. It would be different, like someone is present in front of camera but has put their system on mute, while some others are doing vice versa. So we see these are the attendance defaulters who were not present in the front of screen 20 times and 19 times these 3 candidates and 17 times test 94 candidate. Now let us quickly try something else. We have done group candidates. We have viewed critical alerts. Let's try visualizer. Session code is the same because that's the current data in the system. It can be updated in real-time scenarios. It's saying I need a passage of less than 5, but why should I see? I will enter what I think. I will enter 100. We will see what will happen. It's taking time, but the output should be there. Yeah, we got a plot. It's loading. Yeah, see, this plot, nothing is visible. We are not able to see anything. So these kind of things are not good. So we will retry it with a smaller batch size. Back to the visualizer. But there are 100 candidates in system. So be sure if we enter a batch size of 5, we will get 20 visualizations one by one. So that's a hectic process. So therefore, a group candidates was introduced later on, seeing the general feedback from mentors and everyone. Let's enter batch size 5. Let's see, looking direction. See, like in batch size of 5, test 84 doesn't see the screen, only is seeing the center, I guess, not even a single time. While other candidates are seeing a few times. Green is little deviated, but like orange is completely deviated candidate. So we can get an intuitive result that test 84 candidates attention is diverted, while others are either blinking or looking at center. Looking right left once or twice in a while is okay, but most of the times it's not. Definitely like green is looking right twice in the 20 duration, so it's acceptable. But test 84 is like a critical case. He doesn't look for his center of screen even once. I'm skipping through all the visualizations because the explanation will go similar way. Now that was all about demo. We searched, we like had a look over the maximum options. To close, we can simply press cancel and the admin panel closes. It gives also a buy message. So the admin panel was a GUI based, but since candidate panel only facilitated login, and we didn't want it to give more freedom to candidate to like do anything wrong, so we didn't give more options. Candidate panel was a simple console based, while admin panel was a GUI based. That was all about my admin panel. Let's quickly have a look over my database window. It's currently loading. Like we can view the collections, the tables, and the records created. There's one table created for every candidate and one different authorization table there for storing the login details of the candidates. Taking some time, like it depends upon the internet speed, and since it's cloud data, see we are having 100 those candidates and one authorization data table. We created one demo one previously, so let's see, it should be somewhere here. Yeah, see, demo one is here. Yashi 13 was not being able to add because that candidate was already existing, we can see. And rest are the data of candidates, which includes authorization, session ID, looking direction, faces are like how many faces are in frame. If there are more than one faces, then it's a alert for the system. Time since login, lib distance, and looking direction. So that was all about the database. Thank you.